Healthier Us, talking about how to lose body fat, video 5, all about sleep. This is going to be a short and sweet one. The more sleep you get, the better it is for your weight loss. And here's a little experiment you can do, which has always perplexed me, but I think I'm figuring it out why it is. Weigh yourself, get a scale, right? And weigh yourself at night, go to sleep for 8 hours, and in the morning, weigh yourself again. You're going to weigh less if you're watching what you're eating. If you're just eating a ton of ice cream right before you go to bed, then that might not work. Okay, but why is that? It always happens to me. I've always noticed that I'm down a pound or two from the night before in the morning, and I'm not just sweating out a pound or two of water in the middle of the night. Okay, you might sweat here and there or something, but you're not sweating out a pound or two of water. You're losing body fat, and you're also burning through some of that stored water and glycogen that's in your system. So it's all about sleeping. Sleeping is a huge component of body fat loss when you're trying to lose weight. You need to get 8 to 10 hours. So a lot of times I could stay up extra late and maybe watch another television show or do whatever, but I'll cut out early and I'll go to bed a half hour, an hour earlier than I really felt like I needed to, because I knew that it was going to benefit me at the end of the week. It's going to help me to lose weight, because really that's where the weight loss really happens. Is when you're sleeping. Because when you're sleeping, your body is there's not really any carbs to use at that time, unless you ate a whole bunch of carbs before bed, which you don't want to do. You want to eat your carbs way earlier in the day anyway, and so that you can then switch over to burning body fat. And how do you survive through the night when you're not eating anything? Well, your body's using its body fat. It's using something called ketone bodies, and it's burning that as fuel, because your body, I'm not even talking about doing exercise, but when you're just sitting there, your body is using a lot of calories. It is burning through a lot of energy just to make all the organs work correctly. Right? It's using a lot. It's using way more than you do when you exercise. All right? I don't even know what the statistic is. It's something ridiculous. 70% of the energy your body uses is to sustain itself, just to be able to function with all that stuff. Right? So in the middle of the night, when you think you're not doing anything, you're just laying there. Well, guess what? You're actually doing a lot. And the longer you can sleep, the more fat you're going to burn off your body. Short and sweet and to the point. You want to lose body fat? Sleep a lot. Make sure you get 8 to 10 hours a night. Good luck out there.